Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation video, we will guide you through the process of successfully installing an Arnott Rear Air Shock for the Buick Lucerne F55 with Magneride and the Cadillac DTS F55 with Sport Suspension and Magneride. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle to remove the rear wheels. Follow the strut's airline to the fitting and disconnect by turning the clip 90 degrees and pulling outward. With the trunk lining removed, disconnect the electronic dampening sensor from the top of the strut. Then, remove the clip that secures the electronic dampening sensor to the rod, pushing inward to release. Now, loosen and remove the top nut and washer from the top of the strut rod. Remove the bottom bolts securing the strut to the control arm and remove the strut from the vehicle. Also, remove the U-nuts from the strut. Retain the 2 OE U-nuts for reuse on the new strut. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the air strut installation process. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and/or void the warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Now, reattach the 2 U-nuts retained from the previous strut onto the new strut. Place the new strut into the vehicle. Then bolt the strut into place on the control arm and tighten it. Now raise the strut until the top of the rod clears the hole. From inside the trunk, apply the washer and supplied nut to the top of the strut and tighten. Install the new electronic dampening sensor onto the top of the shock rod. Attach the electrical connector to the electrical dampening sensor. Then, attach the airline to the strut and reinstall the trunk lining to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott Rear Air Shock. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.